My name is Christy Lee. I'm the Managing Director of Platinum Solar Designs. Recently, we were given the opportunity to visit China. China is important to the solar industry globally, in particular Australia. Up to even 90% of the solar panels that are manufactured are sourced from China. We visited the SunGrow Tower, which is a brand new 6,500 square metre tower, which was opened in October last year. Whilst visiting SunGrow, we sat down and learnt all about the new battery technology that is released and now available here in Australia. So far, there hasn't been a lot of opportunity and option for a three-phase household with backup supply. SunGrow has brought a strong contender to market, and we're hugely excited about this product. It was truly impressive visiting the Tesla Gigafactory. Being able to visit the facility and witness firsthand the level of quality in their manufacturing processes and the automation really solidified for us the brand and its premium quality, and we're really proud to be able to offer that here at Platinum Solar Designs. We visited one of Trina Solar's latest plants. Usually we would only be able to observe from behind the glass, but we were lucky enough to actually get up close and personal. We were able to capture footage, which is almost unheard of, which is a huge advantage for us because we'll be able to share this with our clients, and it will give us the advantage to show you the level of quality and automation which goes into manufacturing the Trina solar panel. SolarJuice provide high quality product and a really fantastic level of service, which is why we align ourselves with SolarJuice. We just like to thank them for the tour and their hospitality. We found it very rewarding, very insightful. We're very grateful for the trip, and we will find it very helpful and a huge benefit for Platinum Solar Designs moving forward.